The lawyers who were seeking the release of dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel and 2 of 3 co-accused say they will be filing an appeal of Thursday's Supreme Court judgment. Attorneys Isaac Buchanan and Iqbal Chevalier say an appeal of the matter is still relevant, notwithstanding the June 10 Court of Appeal matter.
If our judges decide that having heard a technical case such as this which was difficult for Jamaica to handle in the first place, that they want to have mature consideration at the end of June 14 for them to make the decision for the interest of justice on how to proceed. They may very well say, I have to take some time, and time could be 2 or 4 or 5 years from now. I have judgments that I'm awaiting, and it has been the life of my career.
On Thursday, Supreme Court Judge Justice Andrea Thomas rejected an application to release dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel and 2 of his co-accused from custody. In her ruling, she said the men should remain behind bars pending the decision of the Court of Appeal on whether they should be retried for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams.